Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to install 3 or 4 accessories, and they are sponsored by the site T-Launch. I have a coupon code for 10% off. Ciao Tesla. As usual, I'm going to leave all the links in the description. So let's start with the unpackaging. The package is right here. So let me take out the one by one. Okay, so the first one is a cup cover for the front. So I'm going to put it in the front. Then we have what's this? I think it's oh yeah, the hidden on the what's it called, armrest in the front. When you open it, there is a little space, and so this one goes there, so you can have a hidden place type of thing, pocket. Okay, this one too in the front. And let me put away this, guys. What's this? Oh, this is a hat. Nice, very cool. T-Launch here. I'm going to leave it in the car, so if I need a hat, I have a hat. Very nice. This one. Oh, this one is the same as the cup cover, but for the back. So I'm going to install it right away. There it is. Very cool. So let me install it right away. It goes right here. Very nice. It fits right like a glove. Very cool. I like this. These are cool because you know, you don't get dirty the cup holder here, and you can take it out. I think this one you can just put in the dishwasher and wash it. Very cool. I like it. And it's rubber is a bit it's soft, so it's cool to the touch. Very nice. And then the other two things are covers for the foot. You know, when you put the foot on the right side, the central console, there are these covers. Let me take it out them. Wow. This guy is going to be I'm going to install it one because here in Florence we are having a heat wave, and it's like it's 30 degrees, and it's 9:15. It's so hot, it's unbelievable. We are having a heat wave for the past 2 months. Every day it's like an average of 35. Yesterday was 39. Okay, so you move, you sweat. So let's fix this. Let me understand, where do they go? I think this one is for the left side. Yeah, I think so, because these are nice because they're thin. They go with the velcro only. You don't need to do anything else. And so, very nice. I don't know how far down they go. We'll see. Let's install it. Let me come to the front so we can move the seat and install it. And we installed the other 2 pieces too. Okay, so first let's install the actually, let me put this one down. So it stretches or something. Let me put this one here. Okay, let's move a bit of stuff here. Okay, so this one, no, this one, the other one, this guy goes inside here. Let me move a bunch of stuff. Of course, I needed to clean. And there is. Nice. Nice. Oh. Yeah, I need to stretch it a bit, but that's okay. That's normal. Very nice. Wait, let's see. Yep. Yeah, I just need to shape to the back to the original, so I can put back this stuff in the pan. Nice. Now let's work on the cover here. Let me see if I need. Yes, this place here. Okay, this goes like this. Okay. I need to remove the the double tape. This is going to be forever. I hate this stuff, but it's practical. But to remove it's always tough. No, it's not tough. It just takes time, and it's a bit annoying. But that's every product that I review that have it. Just spend more time to remove the this red tape. Yeah. Okay. One. Two. It's taking forever. Sorry. Let me see if they attach like that. And that's it. Very cool. So you push it here, and you have a space here that's hidden from everybody, which is nice. You can put whatever you need, maybe keys and stuff, and then it goes back here, and that's it. Now let's do the other part, which is this guy for the foot. Okay. And let's see how it goes. No. I'm going to move the seat all the way back. Okay. So it should work. Okay, so it goes all the way down here. So I need to figure out the stretching, if it fits down there. I think I need to move this carpet. Yeah, let me move it. Sorry, let me put you down here. Just logistic type of issues. Okay. This thing. Okay, so we'll need to stretch it from down there all the way. You see, this is my foot, so I don't like that. Very nice. So let's go. Let's try to do this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It's going to be a tough one. Yeah. Unfortunately, the position is not that great to manage. You need to push it all the way back. Yeah, it needs to go all the way back. Okay, I think I got it. Maybe a bit higher. Yeah, like that. I think I got it. Now you need to stretch it. There it is. Ooh. Like that. And now you need to put this one all the way. I cannot push it back more. Yeah, just a bit. Okay. Okay, like that. Maybe. Here, there's the stop. I think you need to force it down. Yeah, like that. There it is. But on the bottom, you have to. Yeah, that's a bit difficult. Okay. Yeah, I need to fix this one on the bottom. Let me see. I'm going in the back, okay? So watch this place if it comes up. Actually, let me put back the cover here. Okay, fits well. So let's go back and see if I can fit that by stretching it. Can it reach? Yeah, maybe. So, Jordan. So let me pull up so I can stretch in the back. Let's see, okay? Because I need to fit my hands. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like this because I need another person. That's the point. Yeah, but it's not okay. It's not difficult to install it, but it's difficult to make sure that he aligns with all the it aligns. But this one started okay, but then in the back, I'm going to show you. You see, he left some space here and stop. I need to, I need another person, because otherwise I won't be able to stretch it. One person needs to fit the hands in it, and then the other person needs to pull it and fits here. I'm going to try once more to try to do it, but and pull it up a bit. Yeah, I need another person. Anyway, a bit of work in the morning. The product works pretty good, and I like that it's not the rubber is not very thick, it's thin, so that you can you know, it doesn't stand out like other ones that I had in my previous car. I just need to stretch it out right away. I need two people. One person needs to, maybe with a stick, so that the velcro doesn't touch right away. Yeah, by one person is very difficult, because the velcro wants to stick right away, and you don't have space to work on it. So you need two people. Two people to one holds this guy, pulls it up there, and then the other guy makes sure that it doesn't, the velcro doesn't attach. So I'm going to ask someone, maybe tomorrow, because today I can't. But I like the products, so again, very cool. I like it. I need to install the other one, so I wanted to test that one, because I imagined that there was a difficult like that, because I mean, it's not difficult. You need to have another pair of hands to make sure that the velcro doesn't attach, which actually is good. The velcro attaches right away and it sticks, because that's the whole point of having that. But to install it is a bit tricky. And you saw I struggled a bit, because by yourself you need to take care of the velcro attaching to the sides, and then you need to stretch it so it doesn't do this. Okay, so I need to fix that. I'm going to do it, and now I need a shower. Anyway, the other one I'm going to do it with another person, so we'll do it in 2 minutes instead of struggling like I did. Not the product problem, but that's how velcro, and the velcro are pretty good. You see, it's all the way. You see, they put it all the way. On other products, I thought, you see, look at this, which is good, but of course installation is a bit more tricky. They put it all everywhere, so in the middle, and also all the way on the perimeter, which is good. That's the way to do it. Otherwise, you don't attach it in some places and will come out. So actually, I'm going to leave this one inside, so it's all stretched out. So this one, I love it. The one in front too, and the small secret compartment cover, which is good. Anyway, thanks to Launch. I'm going to leave all the link in the description. And the discount code is Ciao Tesla for 10% off if you're interested. They have a bunch of other stuff. It's pretty big site, one of those big sites. So you can buy for everything. This is for the Model Y Performance, no, Model Y Juniper, sorry. So they have for other models too. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.